get involved with. There's a campus newspaper, there's a campus radio, there's a campus TV station, campus website, campus podcast, those kinds of things. Get involved in those things. Because then what happens is, number one, you're gaining the experience. If it's a campus event, say it's graduation, and they want to shoot the event, go be one of the cameramen, right? Then you get the experience of an actual event rather than the student projects that we've been doing in class. So you need to also put yourself in those kinds of situations. If there's something that needs to be done on campus, there's a campus concert like Sisimuka or whatever it is, go take part, go record, go shoot, go do the audio, those guys, so that then you're honing your skills. If they need a presenter, those guys, that's what I would tell. Then that's what I normally do tell my students.